The University of Alabama in Huntsville UAH Marshall Space Flight Center MSFC and the Harvard-Smithsonian Astrophysical Observatory South have made and tried the main instrument. It will test the sun-oriented breeze while presented specifically to it on board NASA's Parker Solar Probe PSP. It will go nearer to the sun than rocket from Earth first time. The shuttle planned to launch on August 11 at 3:48 a.m. The day-by-day launch window reaches out until August 23. PSP will launch from Space Launch Complex 37 on Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida on board the United Launch Alliance Delta IB Heavy rocket. Solar Wind Electrons Alphas and Protons SWEAP. The Solar Wind Electrons Alphas and Protons instrument of Faraday cups that UAH, MSFC and SAL collaborated to develop, create and test. It will gather charged particles when shuttle goes through coronal gases superwarmed to temperatures up to 1.8 million degrees F that include the sun-oriented breeze. The SWEAP Faraday cup will act something like a sun-based catcher's glove, by using its window screen-like surface to gather up tests of the air of the sun and to quantify the properties of electrons, protons and helium particles. The investigation will measure electric and attractive fields, radio outflows and waves in the sun's atmospheric plasma. The integrated science investigation of the sun utilizes two instruments to screen electrons, protons and particles in the sun's environment. Moreover, the telescope known as Wide Field Imager will make pictures of the sun's corona to see the sun-oriented breeze and waves as they go by the shuttle. Parker's Solar Probe will have close experiences with the sun, as 20 times bigger and 500 times brighter than it is at Earth. It will investigate hot plasma curves and in addition sun-oriented coronal gaps and coronal splendid patches, which they found in the mid-70s by a Skylab X-beam telescope. Also quantify the scope of vivacious particles that make the highlights. These estimations will give a to some degree bell curve-like conveyance work, as it depicts how sun-based breeze particles are sorted out as far as speed and vitality. Whether the attractive field of the sun assumes a part fit as a fiddle of the dispersion work, says Dr. Zank. The mission is booked for a long time, finishing in 2025.